Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. This is my first reaction video, so let's get started. Just wait. Let me just log into Google. So here we are. We're here now. Let's start this video. Let's go. Alright, let us read. J-A-K, J-A-K, Today we're gonna react to some videos about we'll try not to be satisfied challenge. Just wait, let it load. Alright. Alright. Let's go. Let's put sorry about the lag. I never actually done reaction videos, so my try not to say wow. Try not to say the dog. Let's start this vid. Alright, let's react. I'm excited. Alright, let's react. Skip ad. Let's do only satisfying challenge. Interesting. That's not bad. Interesting. I'm joking. Wow, that sounds fun. Wow, that's so weird. Wow. I lost 2 lives there. 2 lives. 3 lives. Forget when you have lives. 3 lives. What? This is what they do? I didn't know that. Whoa. 2 lives, 2 lives. 2 right here. I lost a life. Ew. Wow. One life, one life, one life. The sound. The sound. This is not gonna make me say it. Not gonna let me say it. No. No, I'm not gonna say this. The sound. The sound is so hard. You're kidding me. So hard. What? I said what? Not wow. That ain't satisfying. That ain't satisfying. That's just wasteful. That's not satisfying. That's just weird. Oh, this is so hard. What are you even doing? Right now, that's not satisfying. You're joking. That's how they do it. Forgive me for the lag. I never done this before, so forgive me for the lag. That's how they grow. Wow, that's so weird. Oh my god, it's a big movie something. I forgot the name. But it's I know this fish. It's like a flying Finland. Yeah, it's a flying Finland. I really wanna say it. What? That's how they do it? This is how they make rubber shoes like that. You gotta be driving. Let's just watch this and well, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. See you on next time. And please like and subscribe for more. Toodles!